Hey guys, welcome back to Ethan and Joel. Today I will be doing a room tour of mine since I don't want people to keep requesting on a room tour during my school days. Well, I'm only in elementary. And I got a school holiday this time, so I better do it on Sunday before anything else goes crazy on Monday. Let's do it. So starting from here, got my Apple Watch charger, my stand, my pillow, my quilt, nice and made up, coin. Well, let me show you this baby. This is an iPhone 4S. My dad just brought it back today. And this computer. I don't edit from this computer since it's so slow and it just keeps heating up. It's not my main production machine, but when I need to edit, I'll put this in the study and I'll take the golden MacBook that my dad also owns and put it here as my production machine. Here, a pile of junk. Here is where I keep all my tech. Let's focus here. Dad won't let me use the tripod. Got a USB A to USB Type B cable. Glad that I have it, and I'll explain the reason later. Dirty toothbrush for scrubbing. Ugh, I smell yucky toothpaste. I got an RJ11 cable, dried up magnetic slime I made last year, glue stick, and SIM ejector. And last of all, my first watch was a nano thingy watch, and it's gone. So I have the band for it. Anyways, I don't need to wear that. So, where's the lid? I'll leave the USB, that cable there, and ornament that me and my dad built. It's very nice looking. 2 airplanes, one of them covered by my shirt. Don't want to let you see all those clothing. Okay, closet. And pencil case. This is a lion from a hotel once, Singapore. And since I'm in Singapore, my pocket money is in Singapore dollars. I have just about 30 Singapore dollars, or about, I guess, 20 US dollars. Houses that got off an airplane is pretty cheap. Taped up shower gel. My tooth that I pulled out last year is looking very yellowed. This is just I better throw that away later. Ruler for cardboard projects. I won't be doing that soon. Pictures of when I'm little. OS 9 emulator drive. A door ornament, and a picture of me. I don't want to show you any embarrassing things. Just taking a quick look at the Forest dock. This is a speaker dock, and it got some decent I/O back there. So we got DC in, power. I won't be pressing that button. Audio in for audio in. I don't know why they put an audio in, and this is already dock, but I think I'll get to that later. USB, that's USB Type B, so I think you know why I have a Type A to Type B cable. And this is composite video out. I'll be buying an RCA cable plus an adapter to convert this to analog stereo audio, so I can use just RCA to hook this guy up to the TV. And this explain it. This USB Type-B port just works as a sinker to your computer, but it's Type-B, so you can't just plug any normal cable in. So that's why I have 2 of those lying around. This is originally from a black and white printer my dad got like 5 years ago, I don't know. That's when I'm just 3. You might be guessing my age. Like 5-6 years ago. Huh. So I got another black one of those. I don't know where that came from, but anyways, this just plugs in like this. Looks like a Thunderbolt connector, but it's USB. Wait, let me just try to plug it in with one hand. Oh, that's better. And this is gonna be in the future in the analog stereo audio port with an adapter, and this video out I'll be also using with an RCA cable being in there. So yeah, I'll edit my setup a bit, and this cable here goes into my computer. Got 2 computers. Anyways, I always keep it connected to the MacBook Air, and this is early 2014, 11.6 inches. Very small, and only have a 1.7 gigahertz dual core processor. That's sort of bizarre. Anyways, got my Type-B connection. Yep. And I'll show you the 4S. I downgraded it just today to iOS 6.1.3. I got all the cult classic sounds, but that's right now. Well, guess that isn't working. Hear that? This is very convenient to use since it's only 3.5 inches. Small phone, handy to use. My dad just treats this as an antique and a toy for me. No, look at this. I can contact my dad using this, although I don't use this thingy. Anyways, YouTube, utilities, blah blah, nothing really on here. I do got a Retina display. Very nice. Nice. There's a charging chime, I guess. Huh. And I got a power brick. This is a very bulky external power supply, and this is not good. Let's see. Huh. Fast charging. I saw it was just 13 volts or something. Why didn't I hear the charging chime? Let's try to open this up. Now it's charging. Let's try that sound. I love that. Here's my Mac Air. 8-digit. Cancel. It's from my 4S. No. Okay. So you can see this USB Type-B cable come to life. Type A to Type B. You may not see Type B before, but you might be wondering. I got an OS 9 booter. It has some of my homework stored in there, and an emulator because I just wanted to do it for fun. Well, after it's started up, you can just go and treat it like a computer. You can go to special shutdown or just force quit. I think that's it. And this emulator drive also contains OS 9, but it will only recognize this computer, not the other computers. I didn't get any music on here. Headphones lying around. There's coins. A book there. I don't know if you can see, but my foot's going in. Well, anyways, don't want the book to be sticking out like it's crazy. Better? this external power supply. Yuck. It is currently powered up, I guess. Yep. This very bulky external power supply, it's only 13 watts or volts. So, why does this get a bit bulky? Anyways, let's hide that in there. Got some ports in the wall. I used a British connector, as you can see. Anyways, this is a China connector. It didn't get holes like the US version. And it didn't get the funny circle. Chinese plugs never have those ugly holes. Moving on to this side of my bed, we see a LAN port for some reason. I think that's just for internet. Anyways, 5-watt power adapter powering that watch charger, and it's on. Both of these are on. And let's quickly recap. This is the full room in one shot. The air conditioning is running, and that's the light. Curtain. This is my entire room. You see it's a big 9, I guess. And this is the door. I don't want to open the door. And a picture. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Bye. I'll do a video on this soon.